Welcome again to another training with Diadit Loe. Today we are going to be looking at how to write a winning business plan for Nigeria Youth Investment Fund, NYIF. It's a funding and I give you a loan or a grant or investment. And what you are going to need is a detailed business plan that is not more than 5 pages, where you put together your thoughts and your ideas and you present a proposal and a convincing narration that will let this opportunity to come to you. So how do you apply for this opportunity? Just go to this link and you'll be able to apply. So the Nigeria Youth Investment Fund is 110 billion program to boost youth enterprises in various sectors for national economy and prosperity. So this is program by the Federal Ministry of Youth Development under the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration. So the Honorable Minister, Dr. Jamila Bayo Ibrahim, she's one of those uh, people that are at the forefront of this program. So what are you supposed to do if you are writing your proposal? So your proposal must not be more than 5 page document. So the first thing is the executive summary. Your executive summary must not be more than a page, and it must state clearly the business name, the mission statement, business objective, business funding needs. So pretty all the aspects of the 5 page business plan must be summarized in the executive summary. So that's the first thing you need to know. The second thing they ask is the business description. So you describe your business and the information, the history, what you have done so far, and certain vitals about your business. The third one is the market analysis. A thorough market analysis needs to be done, and you need to really put together the industry analysis, your target market, market need, competitive analysis. So everything will be under market analysis. Then we have the organization and management with a core management structure. So this section outlines the business organizational structure and the team behind it. Organizational structure, management team, and advisor, if you have one. Remember, all these things must not be more than 5 page document. All right, so don't go and write a piece two. Another one is the product and services. So you talk about the product and service description, life cycle, research, development. Then we have the marketing and sales strategy. Marketing plan, sales strategy, and pricing. So you want to put all this there. Then the financial plan, your funding requirements. You see, this aspect is very important. You don't want to get to a stage where they don't know how much you need and how you want to spend the money. So all these things are what you put there. The last one is the implementation schedule. You want to be detailed about your milestone, tasks and responsibility, and your monitoring and evaluation. Then appendix. So all these are what you need to put together in your business plan. So a well-crafted business plan is essential for securing Nigeria Youth Investment Fund. By following this guide, provided detailed, accurate, and compelling information, you can create a winning business plan that showcases your business potential and align with the Nigeria Youth Investment Fund. So now, the objective of the Nigeria Youth Investment Fund to reduce youth unemployment by fostering entrepreneurship. So your business must help us to reduce unemployment, to provide youth entrepreneurs with access to affordable finance, to support youth-led businesses in achieving sustainable growth, to encourage innovation and creativity among the youth, and to create job opportunity and improve the standard of living. So if you need assistance in writing your business plan, my organization will be available for you to help you to work on your business plan. So we write a winning business plan for your organization within 2 to 3 days. So you can reach me via these phone numbers 08060779290, or you can reach out to us by sending us a mail or at dayo@gmail.com. So if you don't know us before, at the comment section of this video, you'll see our company profile there. Then you will see the links to apply for this particular opportunity. So I hope this helps. If you have question, please drop the question in the comment section and we'll be able to answer you. Thank you very much.